and Isaiah. Yeah, Elmon himself, right?
Say that.
Exactly.
So this is
The
Elmon
Papa
himself.
himself.
Yeah, okay. These people call me Papa, you can hear them, but this is the humble Isaiah. I'm first of all glad to be part of TMS, also like everyone is, and I never take it for granted at all. First of all, I'm thanking God for everybody working with me to make this work easier. I mean, sitting back here hearing Everson, Linda, Blessing, and Mubani, and Hazel, Blessing says she realized she's a sound herself. So that gladdens my heart. Medicals call the heartbeat automatic rhythmicity. If you know the medicals, the heart pump rate, they call it automatic rhythmicity. That's the rate at which your heart pumps. That is to tell you that even man is hardwired to respond to music.